This video is going to be about St. Louis, Missouri. We saw the famous Pickle Jar. We went to Hi-Pointe, which is a freaking phenomenal burger place. If we would have stayed there longer, I guess there's a whole hill. It's called The Hill, and it has Italian food, authentic Italian food. There's some places you gotta check out here. So keep watching. Thank you guys for watching our channel, and yeah.
So then, catch you guys on the next one.
Mom, we're going to the best pudding in the whole world.
Where are we going to?
The famous Pickle Jar.
My name is Jason.
Your name's what?
Jason, my name is Jason. My name is Sanchezs. Oh, my name.
What's your
In
name?
about 10 miles, turn
My
left.
name is Sanchezs. He stole my name. He said it's junkie. My name is Johnson.
This is why we don't travel 6 hours long.
Yeah, because they get hyper.
So we found out that we're right next to Six Flags, and Carter was not so happy. He wanted to go, but they don't open till April 5th, which is crazy with spring break, but whatever.
Yo.
We finally made it.
7 hours later. Okay.
It's definitely a drive, you know? But we do pretty good at driving. It's not too shabby. It's not too, could be worse, you know? But we get it done. The Duramax is running good. I mean, it does have its problems, but well, that's not one of them right now. So we're here. We're gonna check in. Well, this is our spot. right now, let me just say, it feels good to be back in the East Coast. I mean, we're cruising. We're doing pretty good, I think. We don't got much further to go to where we're trying to get to, about 4 hours, and we're there. So we're gonna stay here 2 days, enjoy that, and yeah, just we'll take you guys along with us. But we have a lot going on in the next few days. A lot's gonna happen, but until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends. Catch you guys on the next one.
Again, they don't have the greatest signage. We'll find it though. That's A8?
A8 or A6 or A9.
Some A9. We got a barbecue?
Yeah! Yeah! Yes, we got a barbecue. We could cook some meat.
How much do you want to go back? Keep going? How much? Put the block in front. Now the other one too.
We're going to the best person in the whole world.
In the whole
Where are you
world.
going?
Look at the camera. Wow, look at this. Look at it go. Come on. So cute.
This is for
So
to go.
cute. This is so cute. And this is a table.
Alright, hey, I'm gonna put this in the tip. Thank you. Always be best partner.
Oh, looks good, man. Oh, I want that. Ruben, come on. Arc Deluxe.
Yeah, I was gonna do a fries and a caramel shake.
Yeah, we can only apply to like soda drinks.
Where are we going to?
The famous pickle jar.
2 pickle jars on the side of the road.
I guess when you are in St. Louis, you have to see the pickle jar on the freeway. So that's what we're gonna go see.
2 pickle jars.
You got it rolling.
You better play, because I'm going fast. We've been driving about 3 hours looking for this thing. Oh, it looks like somebody broke it. Right there it was. Somebody broke it. Yeah.
There it is, right there.
Jar of pickles. What the heck?
We heard that's
We
the
just
most
found
famous
it.
thing in St. Louis.
We heard that's the most famous thing in St. Louis, so we freaking found it. So like, subscribe, show all your friends. Catch you guys on the next one.
So yeah, there's Six Flags and a Jellystone RV park. And if we would have known there was a Jellystone RV park, we probably would have stayed there because right now is off season, so it probably would have been pretty cheap.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, we don't
oh well, this is definitely a place that we want to go back to. St. Louis is pretty nice. I liked it. It was nice. It was the city's not bad at all. We both like the atmosphere here. We would definitely come back in the future, for sure.
This place is awesome, and like Olivia said, if we knew that Jellystone was here, we would have stayed at Jellystone. And that's just because it is off season, and we are.
It's been something we wanted to do too.
And that's something that's on our bucket list.
But when we looked midsummer, it was like $400 a night, and we're like, we may as well stay in a hotel for that price. So that wasn't. I wish we would have known, but it's cool that we know it's over here. It's cool it's by Six Flags. There's a whole freaking water park here, so yeah. honestly, Houston and I were pretty surprised with the St. Louis KOA. We would definitely probably go back. I think it has so many amenities. Like, we wanted to do Jellystone during the off season because it's cheaper, but this KOA, it's right next to St. Louis, Missouri. There's so much to do in St. Louis. Like, obviously we joked around and we went and saw the pickle jar because that's like a novelty thing there that people do. But there's tons of stuff. There's food. We really enjoyed this Hi-Pointe place. Their burgers are freaking phenomenal. They have salads. They have milkshakes, anything you can think of. They have healthier sodas. We're pretty addicted to their grape soda. They make it with like cane sugar instead of like normal sugar. It was pretty freaking good.
I'd go back there.
We loved St. Louis. Honestly, Missouri. So we went to Missouri. We went to Kansas City, Missouri, and we enjoyed Kansas City, Missouri, and then even though there was a thunderstorm when we went through, but St. Louis, Missouri is even better than Kansas City in my opinion. So we went to Hi-Pointe. It's a little bit like a little novelty place, but they had this location that we went to, they had a little like camper on the outside. They have a video game in the inside. I think it's themed after a certain thing, but this thing's pretty cool. It's got good food. They say the best burger in the world, and me and Houston are like, their burgers are pretty good.
Their bacon is like perfect.
No, everything about it was good. So now when we stop through St. Louis, that's one of our have to go to spots.
Yep.
But yeah, so if you want to check out St. Louis KOA, it's a good. And then the Six Flags opened April 4th, so that's what stunk is when we went through. We were gonna probably do a day at Six Flags for our 13-year-old, but it was closed when we went through. So if you guys want to go and it's right across the way, you probably could freaking get a Uber and not have to park, because I know parking at Six Flags is kind of crazy sometimes. But that was,
I don't know about riding like your electric bike there, but
yeah,
it's
literally in the middle of nowhere.
There.
Yeah.
You could literally walk there. I don't know if you'd want to walk there after a long day at Six
So the
Flags,
KOA is on one side of the freeway, and then you go under the bridge, and the Six Flags is like literally right over there.
Under the bridge, take a right, there it is. To the left is Jellystone.
Honestly, if we had more time, we would have spent way more time there. The KOA was quiet, it was peaceful. Yeah, it was kind of off the freeway, but it wasn't close to the freeway, it wasn't loud. The people there were nice. We had a really good spot. If we were ever to stay there again, we would stay in that spot. And you guys saw the drone footage we have of it.
Like, subscribe, show our friends. Until then, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Hit that follow button. Yeah, because we appreciate all you guys, and we've been doing it a year.
We have a surprise.
We have a big surprise.
That should be coming out in the next couple of weeks.
Big reveal. So you guys are gonna want to watch these videos. But yeah, we appreciate you guys for being here for a year. If YouTube, I guess, has been doing some weird stuff, so make sure you're subscribed, because it has been unsubscribing people. So yeah, just check that out. But until then, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.